Procedure to download and activate Complete Dynamic software. Please download the software from here. Please register by filling in exactly the same name details on the registration page as you have filled in the license page of the downloaded software by clicking the link on your email. Pay directly via credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet, UPI, scan code or go to buy via website. You will receive an email with the activation key for the software. Please follow the procedure. Please email the payment details and screenshots of the license page of software from your devices to repertory@nambisons.com. You will receive a message after registration. Please wait for 48 to 96 hours. Though we always try to resolve ASAP.